All right, so we have a batch of blind bags. Stay tuned to see what is inside of these. Okay, before we start opening these, I want to say I'm sorry for not being around for a while. I might talk a little bit about it on the blog post. I have talked on the Facebook group about where I've been. Hopefully I'm going to be coming back slowly to getting some videos done, but I thought I'd start with some blind bags that came in the mail over the weekend. So first let's talk about what these are and where I got them. I do have a blog post that details exactly how I search for blind bags, and I will try to remember to link that blog post in the blog post for today's video. These were purchased April 26th, and they arrived this last weekend, which would have been around the 19th, the 20th, somewhere's in there. I don't remember. I got two packages, and they came 2 different days. I don't remember. I don't know which was which. These cost around $2.50. I get them all off of eBay, by the way. And these were labeled as being Dollhouse miniature accessories. So I'm pretty sure there's going to be a lot of stuff in here that I probably won't be able to use, or I'll have to do some major reworking of it to get it to work. But sometimes there's some real treasures in here. So let me turn the camera off and get set up, and we will start opening these one by one and see what I got. All right, bag number 1. What are we going to have in here? Okay, well, it is... Okay, it looks like a little pumpkin maybe. Now this in the fall, I think I'm going to put this into my fall decorations container, and we will repaint this in the fall. So, okay, that one I'm happy with. This will be a cute little decoration for fall. So let's see what the next one is. All right, number 2. Let's see what we got. Okay, now this is a picture, and it actually has the little thing on it for a picture, but it only has, looks like it's only open to a very shallow, yeah, there's a bottom in it right there, which is like halfway down. So it's not one we can actually fill, but it will look cute on like in the cabinet in the dollhouse. So that's a good one. So let's see what the next one is. All right, let's see what number 3 is. What's it feel like? It feels suspiciously similar. Let's see what it is. No, it's different. Okay, it's a drink. Oh, it's a bubble tea. It's got the little bubble. It's got little no-hole beads in the bottom, and it's got the top. It's got a very long straw. I think I'm going to probably see if I can figure out how to cut that, because that's really long, but that's really cute. Some of these I will try and remember to take pictures with a doll so you can see how they look in scale. So let's see what the next one is. All right, this one is really, really flat. I'm very curious. Oh, it's a corkscrew. Oh, that will go really well with all the wine bottles we've gotten in some of the other kits. That is really cool. I'm going to have to measure it because I don't think it's going to be out of scale. I think it'll be okay. So let's see what's next. Yeah, a lot of these, it's hard to tell what the scale is going to look like until I get them with a doll. So I will, when I take pictures for the blog post, I'll try and have a doll with at least some of them. This one, it's fun to feel them before you open them. I can't tell what it is though. I have no idea. And apologies for the outside noise. It's finally nice weather, so they're working outside. Oh, it's these humongous eyeglasses. We've gotten these before. Kind of cartoony. They could be part of like a cartoony costume-like thing. Maybe a display somewhere. Or find somebody that collects Barbie and give them to them. So let's see what's next. It's round. That's about all I can tell you. Oh, it's a Coke bottle. Okay, we've gotten several of these in different blind bags, and I'm really glad because these are great. They can be set in a scene and just make it look lived in. So let's see what's next. Okay, feels like a bowl. I'm sitting here. I don't know why I'm feeling them before I open them. I can't resist. And okay, it's like a plant pot. Oh, that's cute. Okay, maybe that's some inspiration for something to make since I've been suffering so much burnout. Maybe we need to make a plant to go in here. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, this feels suspiciously like some kind of bottle. Yes. No label, so I can create my own label. I have to figure out what we think it is. I think I'll do some painting. This might be a good one to redo on the channel. That might be a fun little quick project for some time. So let's see what's next. Okay, let's see what it is. Okay, it's a mug and a little glass, like a juice glass type glass. Okay. Kind of funky colors, but kind of cool. Okay, let's see what's in the last one. And number 10. Now we have had no duplicates this time. I mean, duplicates from other sets, but for the most part, this is all new stuff. And no duplicates within the set this time. What's this? Okay, it's a little bottle of... that's a cologne bottle, a perfume bottle. Coco Chanel. My. Okay, so I don't think we've ever gotten one of those. So I will gather all of it together and we'll take a quick look and I'll give you a few thoughts. All right, so here's everything we got. Now I am really excited. There were no repeats within the 10 packages, which a lot of times there is. We have had Coke bottles before, but like I said, I'm happy to get a bunch of those because those look great sitting around the dollhouse, in the refrigerator, whatever. The plant pot I'm really excited about. The glasses we've had before and they're way out of scale, but they are what they are. They're fine. I'll figure out something to do with them. The plant pot I'm excited about. Now this bottle is the same size as the wine bottles, and quite frankly, that would be in scale. I've had bottle corkscrews like that were that big. It's a little decorative pumpkin. This mug we've had similar in clear, but I don't think we've ever had a plastic one like that, a colored one. I am surprised. I thought there'd be more ones that were really not usable. Typically, that's been my experience with the miniature accessories category of the line bags. I'm thrilled. I hope you enjoyed this. Be sure and check the blog post. There'll be close-up photos of everything, and I will try to, at least with most of them, have pictures with a doll so that you can see how they look. Like this, at least on the table, looks really out of scale, although sometimes you get a huge drink and it can be really big. So we'll see how it looks. But I'm happy. I'm very happy with this. It was a very good $2.50 or so that I spent. So be sure and check the blog post. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure and hit the like button. What kinds of things would you like to see in future videos? If you enjoy my content and haven't subscribed, I encourage you to hit that subscription button and the notification bell so you know when I put up my next video. Thank you very much for watching today, and I will talk to you next time. Bye!